Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to use MX Player in iPhone. Stay tuned because we're covering everything you need to know in just a few simple steps. First, open the App Store on your iPhone and search for MX Player by typing it in the search bar. Once you find MX Player, tap the Get button to download and install the app onto your device. After installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch MX Player and get started right away. On the welcome screen, you'll see a Let's Go button, so just tap it to move forward into the app. Next, you'll be asked to allow access to your photos, which is important because MX Player needs permission to find your videos. You might see some ads pop up. Just tap Continue at the top to move past them and enter the app fully. Now, tap on the Video Player section to explore and watch the videos stored on your iPhone. You'll notice tabs like Recent Videos, Videos, and Recently Added, where you can easily browse through your media. When you find a video you want to watch, simply tap on it and MX Player will start playing it immediately. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see playback controls like play, pause, rewind, and fast forward, which make watching videos super smooth. When you're done watching, just tap the arrow at the top of the screen to exit the video and return to the main menu. To play audio files, open the MX Player app from your home screen or app list. Tap on the Music Player or Audio section, which you'll find on the app's main interface. Now, select the audio file you want to listen to, and MX Player will start playing it with the same simple controls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy and helpful tutorials.